Alrighty. Today I'm going to show you how to install an aftermarket barrel into the HDB68 from Umarex. Um, yeah, so basically the whole point of this would be to, if you want to use smaller diameter balls, like Canada Riot balls, nylon coated steel balls, the 7.5 gram aluminum balls, yeah, the 9.9s, all those type of smaller rounds. They fit better in this aluminum barrel here. So basically, for the aluminum barrel, we didn't really have to do nothing. It basically fits in there perfect. So it goes right in there. And then for the valve end, I just wrap this Gorilla Tape around, and it actually just goes in there and slides in. But yeah, this one here is for the smaller rounds, but this carbon fiber is more closer to the 683, and this one's probably more closer to, I don't know, Canada Riot Balls claims they're 683, so I'm going to say about 683, 682 roughly. Anyways, we're not showing that barrel. I'm just actually taking that one out, and I'm putting the carbon fiber one in, but the carbon fiber pipe is a bit thicker, so you got to do a little bit of work on it. And I'll show you what I did for that, but here's the barrel here. I got it cut down to the exact same length as the HDB barrel and that aluminum one. But if you notice here, I put a little groove in it. I'm going to show you how I did that. You don't need a lathe, you just need a drill. But I don't know how good or clear that's coming in, but if you can see, there's like a little lip right there. So, yeah, in other words, this end here goes perfectly into the valve. So it's nice and snug, but the way it's set up, you don't really need to do this, but you can put a little bit of Teflon tape around here. Not much, because it'll jam up on you. Just go around like once, maybe twice, 3 times tops. Anywhere after that, it'll start to jam. But yeah, in order to do this, I got my drill here. And on it, you'll notice I have tape. And that's just so it can center the pipe out. So basically, you just put this pipe on now. There, so you can now spin it, kind of like a lathe. A ghetto lathe. I call it my ghetto lathe. But yeah, once you do that, I recommend getting a glove, because this carbon fiber is nasty shit. You don't want to breathe it in either. You might want a mask too. But in order to get this on here, sorry, for the barrel, I just put a little tape around, Gorilla Tape. I wrapped it around all the way, nice and snug, so it wouldn't come off. And yeah, basically, it just, all you got to do is hold this down, set your finger, and see how it lips in. Well, when you start it, you just keep spinning, and make sure you use a glove on, because it gets really hot. And then you just hold this there, and then make sure you just put a nice firm, even pressure, or certain areas will go down more than the other. But yeah, that's all I pretty much did. Just spun it until I got the right size. Keep trying and take it out, because once you go too much, it'll be a loose fit. So just keep grinding it and then taking it out and trying it and taking it out until you get a nice snug little fit. After that, you're pretty much good to go. But yeah, that's all you need. So yeah, we got that groove on there. So now it'll fit right into this part right here. And it's about the width of a file blade I got, because that's how far in it goes into there. So yeah, I'll just show you how this goes together. We just It's a nice snug fit in there. There, we just, with the Phillips, the typical T4E Phillips. I think this one I'm using is a 00 Phillips head. But yeah, of course, first of all, you got to open up your HDB and just, the barrel just pulls out. It's just a one piece. Once you take these 3 screws off, this piece comes right off and your barrel will pull right out. It's toolless, so it's not threaded either. So yeah, we'll just put these screws back in. Oh, I think I need a new screwdriver. Oh, I do. Of course, I have to find out right in the middle of a video. Alrighty. So there, that's it. You got your carbon fiber barrel installed. And this exact carbon fiber barrel, I got it from a guy in the group, Michael Giorgio. And he also has a site, YouTube channel called Chicago Less Lethal. Check him out there. I believe he has a store too. He'll probably have all the links for it in his videos. But yeah, he sent me that, so thank you. And we'll be sure to try it out here as soon as my neighbors go. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. It's just once you get all this shell off and stuff, and then everything you need to, all the outer casing, it's just a matter of these 3 screws, and then this slides off and the barrel comes right out, and then you can just set your barrel right in. Same thing with the aluminum barrel. Just slides right in like that. And fits perfect. No real work done for that kind of tube. But yeah, I'm not going to bother putting it back together. I mean, it's pretty easy. Just drop it back in the shell. And then you just put this piece over. Oop. There, now you do your screws back up. This piece goes back in, and then your rail goes on top. Like that. Put your screws back in, and then your pin goes in here, and then you're all set. Just like that. And that's it, guys. We're going to test it out, see how it is, but you can kind of see the barrel now through the top. You can see that nice carbon fiber look. I mean, not really, but anyways, it's there. Anyways, guys, as easy as that. If you don't want to, if you're short and you just can't afford one of those expensive barrels, then this is the way you go. You can get sections of pipe and any kind of material. Just look for like a 683, 686, 680 inner diameter for the tubing. But yeah, guys, take care, stay safe, and have fun.